Yawning. We all know it's contagious, and not only in people. Chimps catch each other's yawns too. Scientists see this contagious yawning as part of the social glue that binds us all together, so it's not surprising that it occurs in other social species too, like chimpanzees and baboons. What's really interesting is that it works across species. At a sanctuary in Sierra Leone, scientists set up an experiment in which caretakers and unfamiliar human beings yawned in front of 33 orphaned chimpanzees. The yawning was clearly contagious, whether the chimps knew the yawner or not, but only if the chimps were at least 5 years old. And that's the same with children, although the age for kids is 4. And that was the real point of the study, to see if the ability to catch a yawn develops at the same time that awareness of others takes a big leap forward. And it does. Contagious yawning, as mundane as it is, seems to be a signpost for something deeper, the development of empathy. And its presence in other animals suggests that its evolutionary roots run deep.